Do you know the presence of an infection in your body can prevent you from actually contracting another infection? Welcome everybody to another edition of Microbial. This BioTalk, share you the wine mini edition. Yes, just like I said, the presence of an infection in your body can prevent another infection from taking root in your body. This phenomenon is actually called microbial interference. In order to understand this, let's consider two types of infections. One, co-infection, and the other one, secondary infection. In co-infection, one person can be infected by two different pathogens. This pathogen might be different. The two may be viruses, or one can be virus, one can be bacteria or fungi. So at any point in time, when two infections are happening at the same time, we refer to it as co-infection. The second one, which is secondary infection, has to do with an infection that occurs after another one has first occurred. Let me break that down. In secondary infection, one infection started as the primary infection, and after the immune system of the host has been weakened, we now have another infection that will occur. An example of co-infection is when one is having HIV and tuberculosis at the same time. Someone can contract two sexually transmitted infections at the same time, since they are usually bloodborne. An example of secondary infection is malaria first occurring before we start seeing signs of herpes on the lips. I use this so that you will easily understand. Whenever you are having herpes breakouts on your lips, usually referred to as malaria, because it occurs after malaria has happened, or even before in some cases. So now that we've understood the concept of co-infection and secondary infection, let's now proceed to microbial interference. So what if the first infection you had is preventing you from contracting another infection? I can hear you say, share with the wine meaning. I know they whine you. That is the truth. This can occur through different means. For instance, if it's a viral infection, two viruses can be making use of the same receptor on the cell. And once a virus have already made use of that receptor, another virus cannot make use of it again. Another thing is to look at what we refer to as signaling between cells. Once a cell is infected, it's very possible for it to pass signals to other cells of the presence of a virus, thereby shutting down all the other cells from actually being receptive to another virus. For the bacterial aspect of microbial interference, let's look at it from two angles. One, colonization. If a particular spot has been taken by a particular bacteria, they may actively start fighting off other bacteria from colonizing the same surface. Some of these bacteria can even be secreting different chemicals to prevent other bacteria from colonizing that same place. That's even one of the principles being used in probiotics. Probiotics is when you ingest a live microorganism to give the body a health benefit. So when next you think of it that, oh, I'm infected and this is dangerous for me, you can also be reassured in a way that the infection that you are experiencing can prevent other infection. It is not so in many instances, but sometimes someone can get lucky. Trust me, I know they whine you. So this will be all for today on Share the Wine Mini BioTalk. And until next time that we are going to be seeing, make sure that you stay free of infection, if that's possible, but you know that you have to stay healthy. Take care of yourself for now. Bye-bye.